we have to place the figure in coordinate plane in convenient way and assign coordinates to each vertex. In this example, we have a rectangle with side lengths 3k and L and has vertex at point negative KL. So first we have to draw XY plane, y-axis, x-axis. We have given one vertex negative KL. This is our x coordinate and this is our y coordinate, because we know that first coordinate must be negative, the second is positive. So in the second quadrant we have x is negative and y positive. So let's choose k. Here will be negative k, and for example here will be so k will be the length and L, let's will be the width L. So the first vertex has coordinates negative k L. So we have one vertex. We have given rectangle with a side length 3k and L. So the width will be L, will be okay, but we have to have the length 3k. So from the origin to that point, the distance is k. Let me draw this. This distance from this point to that point is k. And we need to have 3k. So this is 1k. Here will be k. And one more, approximately here will be 2k. So now I know that the length must be 3k. So from negative k to 2k we will have 3k. 1, 2, 3k. So here will be next vertex, and this point will have coordinates 2k, and on the x-axis the second coordinate is always 0, and this point will have coordinates negative k, 0, because this is on the x-axis. And now we need the fourth point. We know that rectangle has parallel sides, 2 parallel sides. So the fourth vertex will have coordinates. X is the same like for this point, 2k, and the second coordinate must be L, because we know that the rectangle has 2 parallel sides and the length on this 2 pair is the same. The distance from this point to that point is the same like from this to that. So the first coordinate must be the same like for this point, and the second coordinate must be the same like for that point. We have 4 vertices. Now we can connect them approximately here. So this is our rectangle. We see that the length of this side is 3k. And the length of this side is L, the same like that side. And this side has also 3k. from negative k to 2k. The distance is 3k. 1, 2, 3. This is my solution.